So basically, it's confusing. So should somebody do this on their own, or should they hire an expert?
Right, so it depends. I tell my SCORE clients, look at where you are in your business. If you got a lot of time on your hands, and if you have the attitude and the aptitude to learn the stuff, you're the one with the vision to start the company. You're the one who is building that unique selling proposition. You're the one who knows who your target market is. You're the ideal person to sit down and try to create some of these channels. But as business picks up and as entrepreneurs and business owners start getting too busy with a lot of other functions, and I've been an entrepreneur and business owner for 22 years, and a lot of times I try to wear more hats than I could wear. So I know what it's like. Things will start falling through the cracks, particularly those strategic tasks, such as marketing, such as content creation, such as backlink building. And when that happens, my recommendation is seek professionals and outsource the work.